over Sono YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to my last show of this year. Just as I said before, this is the Kemei 1968. Came like this. Nothing really special, just want to show you guys a little bit more. And the box is like this, so let's keep this aside. Comb, wrong cable, 1, 2, 3, and 4 guards. Manual, got a little brush. To this clipper, 1968. Charging time 3 hours, and I guess also 3 hours use time. I guess it's also 3 hours. Nothing really special. For me, this is Kemei 1986, just a little bit different. 1986 with a click lever for me, and I guess the back is a little bit different. I don't have any more 1986. I used to have it before. So, and instead of here the LCD display, they now put it here. So you can see this line. It's because of the clicking lever, so because it goes up also more, it goes up more than the clicking lever. You see, it goes more up. And the range, it's okay. And the cutting blade, I guess it's the same like Kemei 2850 plus PG, something like that. And here, when you have a low battery or when you are charging, so this is the charging port. And got taper blade, nothing really special, and it was a little bit expensive. Let's make some sound check. And it got 5 clicks, and you can go even more than the 5 clicks. Here is the first one, the first click, second, third, fourth, fifth. You see the fifth, and you see where the range is now. So you can go more than, it's like free, from the fifth one. It's like it's free, so you can see that. So you can always choose, it's okay, but there's nothing like Kemei 2010 clicking lever. That's the best clicking lever I've ever seen on clippers, So what do you say, guys? I want to use this opportunity to give thanks to all my fans, people commenting, asking questions. I want to say thank you all for your support, so that's it, guys. Nothing really special. can buy Kemei in 1986. It's, for me, it's the same. The difference is just the lever, clicking lever. That's it. So peace out, man. Haha. Yes, 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 yes.